Good morning, children. We are continuing the chapter Arithmetic Progression. This arithmetic progression, you have learned the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is the nth term, a is the first term, d is the common difference, n is the number of terms. So I am starting the exercise 5.2. Question number 1. It is a table given, that is a filling the blanks. First one, it is given a is equal to 7, d is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, and you need to find out an. It is given a is equal to 7, d is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, and you should find out an. So you know the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute all the values given here. A is 7, n is 8, 8 minus 1, d is 3 into 3. So it is 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7, 7 into 3, 7 plus 21 is 28. Therefore, the value of an is 28. So here the answer is 28. Now the second one. A is given minus 18, D is not given, N is equal to 10, and AN equal to 0. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D minus 18 plus N is 10, 10 minus 1. You don't know the value of D, but an the value you know, that is 0. So I am taking this 18 to this side. 0 plus 18 equal to 10 minus 1 is 9d. So 9d is equal to 18. D is equal to 18 by 9 is 2. Therefore the value of D is 2. Now the third one. A is not given, A is dash, D is minus 3, N is 18, AN is minus 5. An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. You don't know the value of A. N is equal to 18 minus 1 into minus 3. An is minus 5. That is A plus 17 into minus 3. A plus minus 51 is minus 5. A is equal to minus 5. This minus 15 to this side, so it's plus 51. So this one is 46. So A is equal to 46. Here you can fill up the value of A is 46. Now the fourth one, minus 18 and 18.5, that is the value of A. Value of D is 2.5. N, you don't know the value, you have to fill up. AN equal to 3.6. n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Value of an is 3.6 minus 18.9. N you don't know, n minus 1 into 2.5. This 18.5 you can take it to this side. 3.6 plus 18.9 is n minus 1 into 2.5. 22.5 n minus 1 into 2.5. Here n minus 1, you can take this 2.5 down. 22.5 by 2.5, that is 225 by 25. 25 nines are 225. N minus 1 is 9. N is equal to 9 plus 1 is 10. So a value of n is 10. So you can fill up that n is equal to 10. Now question number 2. Find the 30th term of AP. Ten, 7, 4, dash dash. So first term is 10, therefore A is equal to 10. Then you have to find out D. How will you find out D? There are 3 terms given, A1, A2, A3. So you can do A3 minus A2, or you can do A2 minus A1. Here, see here I am taking D is equal to 4 minus 7, that is minus 3. You want to find out A30. What is A30? A plus 30 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 29D. What is A? It is 10. 29 into minus 3. 10 plus minus 87, that is minus 77. So A30 is minus 77. Question is 30th term of AP. Therefore, 30th term of AP is minus 77. So, if it is asked 30th term is A30 is equal to A plus 29D. A is equal to 10. You can find out D either by subtracting 7 minus 10 or 4 minus 10. So, you know that AP, the common difference remains same. So A is equal to minus 3, A is equal to 10. A30 is A plus 29D. Substitute A 10 and D minus 3. So you are getting the value minus 77. So 30th term of AP is minus 77. Second part is there. One more. This is A. B part is there. B you have to find out 11th term. 11th term is, you know that A is A plus 10D. So that you have to do it as homework. If A, B, C are the 3 terms of AP, 3 terms of AP, you will get this middle term of this. B is equal to A plus C by 2. All of you have to learn this. See, suppose I am taking 5, 12, 19. This term how will you get? 19 plus 5 by 2. 19 plus 5 by 2 is 12. So the middle, that if A, B, C are the three terms of AP, you can get this B A plus C by 2. Now the next question, number 3. Find the missing terms in the box. In the boxes. First one is 2. This is 26. Just now I told you one method. What is that? If A, B, C are in AP, B is equal to A plus C by 2. Here you can say this is A1, this is A2, this is A3. So how will you get this A2? A2 is A1 plus A3 by 2. So otherwise you can take this as A, this as B, this as C. So what is B? B is A plus C by 2. That is if A, B, C are three terms of AP. So it is 2 plus 26 by 2 is 28 by 2 is 14. So this value is 14. Second method I am going to show here. This is the first term. A is equal to 2. This one 26 is the third term. Third term you can denote it with A3. What is this A3? A plus 2D. So A plus 2D is equal to 26. So this one is first equation. This is the second equation. Substitute the value of A in second. Substitute value of A in equation 2. So A plus 2D. A plus 2D is 26. A is 2, 2 plus 2D is 26, 2D is 26 minus 2 is 24. So D is equal to 24 by 2 is 12. So the value of D is 12. You have to find out which term. You have to find out the second term. So second term is A2. A2 is A plus D. What is A? A is 2. And D is 12. So 2 plus 12 is equal to 14. Therefore, second term is 14. So you can fill up this box with this 14. Two methods I have shown you. Second one. First is the box, second 13, next again box, then it is 3. A1, A2, A3, A4. So this is A2. A2 is, you can write down A plus D. A plus D is 13. This is the first equation. Then fourth term A4 is equal to A plus 3D. That is equal to 3. This is the second equation. You can do this subtraction. Eliminate this A here. Minus. A minus A is 0. Plus D minus 2D is minus 2D equal to 10. So minus 2D equal to 10. D is equal to 10 by minus 2 is 5. So D is 5. Once you get the value of D5, can you, so this one is A1, A2, A3. So what is our A3? A3 is A plus, before that you have to find out the value of A. So the substitute D is equal to 5 in equation 1. So it is A plus D is 13, A plus 5 is 13, then A is equal to 13 minus 5 is 8. The value of A is 8. Therefore, the first term is 8, D is 5, 8 plus 5 is 13. Then what is the third term? A3. A3 is A2 plus D. What is A2? 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. So 8, 13, 8, 3. So D is equal to minus 5. So substitute the value of D minus 5 here. Then A minus 5 means plus 5 minus 18. So A is equal to 18. So A is equal to 18 here. 18 minus 5, 18 plus minus 5 is 13. 13 plus minus 5 is, this is A3. A3 is A2 plus D. What is it? A2. A2 is 13. 13 plus minus 5 is 8. Therefore, this value is 8. So, 8, 13, 8 and 3. Next one, third, 5, 9.5. So A is 5, 2, 3, 4. A4 is A plus 3D equal to 9, 1 by 2. That is A plus 3D is equal to 9 2s are 18, 19 by 2. The value of A is 5. Substitute it here. 5 plus 3D is 19 by 2. 3D is 19 by 2 minus 5. 19 minus 10 by 2. So that is 3D is equal to 9 by 2. D is equal to 9 by 2, then 3 comes here, so it is 3 by 2. So value of D is 3 by 2. So A is 5 and D is 3 by 2. This is the second term. A2 is A plus D. What is A? A is 5 plus 3 by 2. It is 10 plus 3 by 2. That is 13 by 2 is 6 1 by 2. So here this is 6 1 by 2. Now the third, this is the third term. So A3 you can write it as A2 plus D. What is our A2? A2 is 6.5 plus D is 3 by 2. 6.5 is 13 by 2 plus 3 by 2. It is 16 by 2 is 8. So therefore 5, 6.5, 8 and 9.5. This is our AP. The fourth and fifth one you can do it as homework. Fourth one is, fourth and sixth one you do it as homework. Fourth one is, here this first term is given minus 4. So then 4 terms are not given. Then sixth one. So this is A and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is A5 and this is A. So both the things same way you have to solve and find out all the terms. So exercise 5.2, question number 2. Exercise 5.2. Question number 2, second. Question number 3, 4 and 5th. Then question number 17. 17 means it is the last term, 20th term from the first term. From the last term. That same question yesterday we have done it. So you do these 3 questions as homework.